In the world of speech delivery, facial expressions and eye contact play a pivotal role in captivating your audience and conveying your message with authenticity. Let's explore why they matter. Facial expressions are windows to your emotions and attitudes, allowing your audience to connect with you on a deeper level. A warm smile makes you approachable, while a nod demonstrates understanding and acknowledgement. Raising your eyebrows can grab attention, and furrowing them conveys seriousness or concern. Eye contact is the bridge that fosters connection and trust between you and your audience. By addressing individuals directly, you make them feel involved and valued. Scanning the room evenly distributes your attention, ensuring everyone feels engaged. And holding eye contact during important points demonstrates confidence and sincerity. To hone these skills, practice in front of a mirror. Observe how your facial expressions change with different levels of eye contact. Additionally, practice with a peer and solicit feedback on your expressions and eye contact. Adjust accordingly based on their input. By understanding and practicing facial expressions and eye contact, you can forge stronger connections with your audience and deliver speeches that leave a lasting impact.